Yo, EK, Jones, TMC brothers.
TMC?
Yeah, we're just checking out EK's new speakers, or his new system in his car. And, yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Here's another song. It will freaking rock it, man. So here it comes.
Alright, let's kick in some rock. Or
rock
hip hop.
Rock you, of course. The rock and roll day.
Is this when the rock and roll's kicking in?
Yeah.
Alright, let's do it. Let's hear it.
Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, that's just a preview. So maybe next time you guys will just go to my videos and you'll see the new one.
Yeah, we'll probably be back with more, but way more. Cruising around, daytime.
Well, this is
not
the final
nighttime.
song, and you guys will like it or not. Well, anyway.
I don't know, I've never heard this one yet, but
okay, my niggas so soft, but don't think I ain't hard. Bitch say Weezy make it rain, I say bitch I ain't God, but I am God's son, but you know I ain't nice. See he got a positive aim and I ain't nice. Man, I be like that like niggas talking raw, well bitches come better. Hey.
Feel the bass.
Right here. TMC, peace out, man.
TMC brothers, peace.